How to add Get Coach button on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Instagram application from your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap onto your profile from your bottom right. In order to add the Get Code option, make sure that your account is a professional, creator, or business account. It does not work in personal account, so if you are a business creator or professional account holder, you will be able to see a professional dashboard right here. As you see it, tap on the Edit Profile option just below this. Now, as you do so, if the option can be applicable in your region or location, you will be able to see Add a Action button right at this page. Once you see Add a Action button, you have to tap onto it and choose the Get Code option from there. As you can see that option or feature is not available in my region. If you are facing the same problem, then just stay updated. If Instagram updates us with that feature, we will surely make a video on that. Till then, stay updated.